All right, perfect. So now I want to show you exactly how I get to my images and how I use ChatGPT in order to craft me prompts for Midjourney. So basically this is the starting step of getting a visual idea of how the whole video is going to look like. So what I'm going to tell ChatGPT is I just want to tell him, give me 10 styles, let's say animation styles that would work great. And you can do the same thing until here, and then you're just going to say what story we want to build on, or like kind of what's the vibe of the story that you want to go for. And I want to go for an animation about Charles Manson. Let's see what it gives us. And I'm gonna try all of them, but I'm gonna begin with the first one and I'm gonna go. So he's saying post-apocalyptic Western cartoon in flat cell shaded style. Some of them I used before, but some of them are new to me, and it's great because they give you like 10 of them so you can choose them. But let's say you don't understand how they look, or you don't really have an idea of how these things work. This is very good thing to go then in Midjourney and create these kind of photos. So I'm just gonna tell him, okay, break down the first one. So now what he's going to do is just going to break the whole style down, and he's going to give you a very big amount of information. As you can see, you can't copy this into any image generator, but it gives you a good idea. Like, look, then it gives you like inspirational references, and then I'm pretty fine with these inspirational references, but I don't want them to look like this. I want maybe just to use this inspiration because I don't want to copy anybody art. Okay, and now what I'm gonna tell him, build me an in-depth prompt for Midjourney using this style. Now, if you're not gonna use Midjourney, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you first how it's going to look for Midjourney, and then we're gonna use it for ChatGPT as well. But first, let's get a Midjourney prompt out of this. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to use it for ChatGPT if you want to use ChatGPT. Although, as I mentioned before, I think Midjourney will give you better results. But let's just see. So as you can see, this is a very, very, very in-depth and rich prompt that's going to give you a lot of depth. It's going to give you a lot of character. And I think this is a very good job that ChatGPT did here.